Once upon a time, in a not-so-distant future, a man named Alexander Hayes set out on a daring adventure that would change the course of history. It was a time when space exploration had advanced significantly, and the dream of reaching the moon was within reach. Alexander, a brilliant and tenacious scientist, had dedicated his life to studying astrophysics and pushing the boundaries of human exploration. His passion for the stars burned brightly within him, fueling his determination to be the first person to set foot on the moon. Years of meticulous planning and rigorous training led Alexander to the momentous day of his departure. The world watched in anticipation as he boarded the state-of-the-art spacecraft, aptly named Lunar Voyager. The journey to the moon was not without risks, but Alexander possessed unwavering faith in his abilities and the groundbreaking technology that would propel him into space. As Lunar Voyager hurtled through the vast expanse of outer space, Alexander's excitement grew. He marveled at the breathtaking view of Earth from his capsule's window, appreciating the beauty and fragility of his home planet. He felt a profound sense of responsibility to represent humanity's quest for knowledge and exploration. Finally, the day arrived when Lunar Voyager entered the moon's orbit. Alexander, clad in his spacesuit, stood before the small hatch that would lead him to the lunar surface. The anticipation and adrenaline coursed through his veins as he prepared to take that historic step. With bated breath, the world watched as Alexander descended the ladder of the spacecraft, leaving his footprints in the moon's dusty surface. It was a moment of triumph, a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the unyielding desire to reach beyond the confines of Earth. As Alexander explored the moon's barren landscape, he felt a profound sense of awe and wonder. He collected samples, conducted experiments, and captured stunning photographs, each one a testament to humanity's achievement. He marveled at the tranquility of the lunar surface, the stillness broken only by the sound of his own breath within the confines of his spacesuit. Alexander's historic journey inspired countless others to dream big and embrace the boundless possibilities of the cosmos. It was a watershed moment that ushered in a new era of space exploration, fueling humanity's collective imagination and driving scientific advancements. Upon his return to Earth, Alexander was hailed as a hero, celebrated for his pioneering spirit and the indomitable human spirit he represented. But for him, the journey to the moon was just the beginning. He continued to push the boundaries of space exploration, working tirelessly to pave the way for future generations to reach even greater celestial heights. The story of Alexander Hayes serves as a testament to the power of human ambition, innovation, and the unwavering belief that no dream is too grand to pursue. His legacy lives on as an inspiration to all who dare to gaze at the moon and wonder what lies beyond its gentle glow.